Welcome to my channel The Happy Gadgets. We are here with another video, and today's video is all about cute keychains. You can also buy these keychains. Links to all the gadgets in the description box. Cute lovely duck yellow keychain. This is a very cute yellow duck keychain. It has a crooked neck and has a cap on it. You can buy these keychain. Links to all the keychains in the description box. If you have any other query, you comment on my video. Cute, soft, lovely bear doll keychain. This is a very soft, fluffy doll bear keychain. Very unique and very creative and looks very good. Cat butt keychain. This is a very cute and funny cat butt keychain. You can use it on anywhere, on your car keys, on your bags. And if you like this product, links to all the products in the description box with the name of the product. It looks so cute and different. Cute cat Kawaii keychain. This is another cute cat Kawaii keychain in different colors. The very innocent cute cat. You can buy it in any color if you want so. Use it in your bags, in your car keys, in your any type of keys. It looks so cute. Popping-eyed animal metal keychain. This is a popping-eyed animal keychain. You can see eyes are popped and it looks so different and so beautiful. So creative. Cartoon soft animal bear doll keychain. This is another bear doll cartoon keychain, very soft, very fluffy. In different colors, white, brown, black. Cool sunglasses cat keychain. This is a very cool sunglasses cat keychain. If you have a pet cat, you must buy it. It looks so cute and so cool. Very cute, simple face keychain. You can use it on your bags, on your kids' bags. Kids love it. Sweater bear metal keychain. This is a sweater bear metal keychain in different colors. So if you like this product, links to all the keychains in the description box. Playful elephant and monkey keychain. This is an elephant keychain. And these are monkey keychains in different colors. Fighting dog keychain. This is a very cute fighting dog keychains in different beautiful colors. If you like this product, if you like this keychain, links to all the keychains in the description box. You just click on the link and just directly land on the page and buy this amazing and other keychains. Unicorn keychain. This is a very cute unicorn keychains in different beautiful colors, blue, pink, yellow. This is a pink keychain and it looks so good. Cartoon cotton knitted animal red rabbit keychain. This is a very cute handmade knitted keychain. You just like that. Kawaii creative couple lovers keychains. These are keychains for the couples. I am stuck with you. Very cute rainbow white keychain. I'm stuck on you. This is a very cute couple keychain. If you like these keychains, you must buy it. Links to all the keychains in the description box. Cartoon knitted cute keychain. This is another cartoon knitted keychain, handmade. Very cute. Yellow chicken, chick. These are available in different colors and in different animals. Plush hook woven lucky fruit keychain. These are also another plush hook woven different fruits keychains that look so good. These are all handmade and look so beautiful and different. So if you like these keychains, links to all the keychains in the description box. You must check it out. Cartoon Hip Hop Cat Keychain. This is a very cute cartoon hip hop keychain. Very cool and in different colors. In a very good quality, reasonable prices. Rainbow unicorn keychain. This is another rainbow unicorn keychain in different colors, in different unique and beautiful colors. Plush Duck Cute Doll Keychain. This is another Plush Duck Cute Doll Keychain. You just hang it on your bags like this. It looks so good. It's handmade in a very reasonable prices, in a very good quality, in different colors. Unicorn 3D keychain. This is another unicorn 3D keychains in different colors, in a very different ways. So if you like any of the keychain, links to all the keychains in the description box.